Hello everyone, what's up? How are you all? This is just a quick announcement about our Zoho Books upcoming session, and trust me, it's going to be really fun. Now, with Zoho Books, everything is automatic. Once you create a quotation, as and when your client accepts it, it automatically gets converted into an invoice. Now, with GST filing, TDS, even bank reconciliation also, software takes care of everything by itself. It's really like magic following, as simple as that. We'll be talking about a lot of useful things like how to create recurring invoices, how to match your invoices against vendors, how to handle your GST, e-invoicing, TDS, so on and so forth. Now, if you're a business owner, freelancer or a startup founder, this session is going to be very useful for you. And don't worry, no boring stuff. It's going to be full of practical demos, real answers and lots of energy. So guys, block your calendar on October 24th at 3 p.m. A team member from Zoho also will be joining our session and I will be one of the speakers too. I have given the registration link in the description below. See you all there. Bye bye.